Wyze Cam Pan V4. Everything you need to know about Wyze's first 4K smart security camera. If you're in the market for a powerful AI-enhanced smart security camera that delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price, Wyze's latest release should be on your radar. Launched on August 26, 2025, it provides AI object tracking, pan and tilt functionality, and indoor-outdoor durability. 4K clarity meets smart surveillance. At the heart of the Wyze Cam Pan V4 is its 4K resolution camera, delivering ultra-high-definition video with incredible detail. Paired with color night vision and enhanced infrared sensors, it ensures crisp video at any hour, with a spotlight deterring potential intruders. AI-powered object tracking and descriptive alerts. This allows for prioritized tracking so users can instruct the camera to focus on what matters most. Whether watching a toddler or package delivery, it keeps you informed. With full 360-degree pan, 180-degree tilt, and zoom, you can replace multiple static cameras. Built for indoors or outdoors. Thanks to its IP65 weather resistance, the Wyze Cam Pan V4 can be safely used both inside and outside, even in harsh weather conditions such as rain, snow, or heat. Whether you mount it in your living room, backyard, garage, or porch, it's built to handle the environment. The camera now supports local storage via microSD-XC cards up to 512 gigabytes, enabling continuous high-resolution 4K recording without relying solely on the cloud. Smart connectivity and enhanced setup. Wyze continues its commitment to ease of use with Bluetooth-enabled setup, eliminating the need for QR code scanning. A universal mount allows placement versatility. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi 6 ensures stable streaming. Integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT expands control options. Privacy and two-way communication. The camera includes a physical privacy mode that turns the lens downward when you need privacy. The two-way audio features upgraded microphones and speakers, allowing clear conversations with visitors or family whether you're home or away. Price and availability. The Wyze Cam Pan V4 is available for $59.98 from Wyze.com. For a camera with 4K video, AI tracking, full room coverage, and smart home integrations, this is one of the most competitive prices available. Who should buy the Wyze Cam Pan V4? This camera is ideal for smart home beginners wanting premium features at entry-level prices, families needing full room coverage for monitoring kids, pets, or elderly relatives, homeowners seeking an all-in-one outdoor camera with night vision and motion tracking, tech-savvy users wanting AI alerts and smart home integration, and budget-conscious buyers replacing multiple cameras with one device.
Go to GearBrain for more information.